and thanks for logging back on to my channel. This your girl Freddie King of Freddie King's Home Decor, and this video is going to be a come clean and decorate with me video. As you can see, I've already started the cleaning. This is my downstairs bathroom. Just want to spruce it up a little bit. First, let me take this opportunity to welcome back all of my subscribers. As always, I appreciate your support very much. If you're not a subscriber, please take the opportunity to hit that subscribe button so you too can become part of the family, part of the kingdom, and also so that you will not miss a single video upload from me in the future. I'm super excited to share these videos with you and show you hopefully some new ideas to improve your space, just make it look a little better, change it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and start the decorating. As you can see, I've selected a color palette of black and gold for this bathroom as well. I'm going to reuse some items that I already have. I call this my Shop My Home video. And as you can see, this is a shower stall with a glass door. However, I just want to add these black curtain panels to give a different look, another focal point, just add a pop of color on the reverse side of the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and add in the decor pieces, adding in the black and gold, or keeping it in the black and gold decor palette that I've selected. And while I do that, just please enjoy the music and continue watching. And of course, it's now time for my favorite part of the video, the big reveal. and kings, that's it. Thank you for joining another episode of Decked Out Designs by Freddie. If you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to check that subscribe button. Join the kingdom so you too can become part of the family and never miss another video upload from me again. Until next time, thank you very much. I appreciate your support, and I hope you'll stop by and check out the content again real soon.